Welcome back to my channel once again. This is Absolute GH. We are going to make soap, do a tutorial on soap. Most soap producers make mistakes when producing soap, and it makes them stranded. In this video, I will show you the mistakes they do and how to correct it. So please watch the video step by step to the end. Before you start, you have to get all your safety precautions. As you can see, I'm wearing long sleeves and then gloves. This is my nose mask. I'll wear two. This is my goggles. It's very important because you might not know when something will split into your eye or into your nose, and even the smell. You don't have to be inhaling things just like that, so you always have to protect yourself. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. If you want to venture into soap business, contact me. My number will be on the screen so that you learn all the nitty-gritties of in the making of soap, and then you know all the tricks in soap making. This is my bleached palm oil. I've already bleached it. So how to bleach palm oil is already on my channel. You can go, I will leave the link in the description box. You can go there and check. I will be using 2.5 liters of oil to make the preparation. I'm using 2 liters of palm oil and then half liter of coconut oil, to help blend it so that it will form well, it will harden well, and then it will do all good to the soap that you are making. And I'm also going to use 1.25 liters of lye solution. Remember, not the caustic soda, but lye solution. The ratio for the mixing of the lye solution is 1 cup of caustic soda is to 3.5 cups of water. That is the cup that you use to measure the caustic soda. You use the same cup, 3.5 of water, to mix the caustic soda to get your lye solution. You can also do 1 cup of caustic soda is to 3 cups of water. Please, the cup that you use to measure the caustic soda, use the same cup to measure the water so that your mixing will be uniform. This is my glycerin. This is soda ash solution. As you can see, this is not full. It's not full. I use the rest of the water to mix my XLS or the rice powder or the booster rice. So I've used it to mix it, so that it will add up to the two. So briefly, let me teach you how to mix SLS before we continue. You first have to mix 30 grams of SLS. You add water, you stir, then you use it. If you are not in a hurry, when you stir it, cover it for about 10 to 15 minutes. It will all melt, then you pour it into the soup production. But if you are in a hurry, then you have to mix until it melts before you use it. When you are ready to use and it all not melt, then you have to sieve it before you pour it into the soup, like I showed you in the video. And the water you have to use here is part of the water that you will be used to mix the soda ash. This is my alcohol. It's very important. Everything you use, you have to sterilize it. It's very important. This is my perfume. This is my essential oil, lemon essential oil. I'm using lemon perfume and I'm also using lemon essential oil. This is my rice powder, which I've already mixed. This is my sulfonic acid. Since we are going to make washing soap, we have to make a soap that will lather a lot. So I will combine sulfonic acid and then the SLS. So this is my silicates. I've already measured some. I will show it to you. This is the color. In making washing soap, you don't need a lot of things. Just 5 ingredients. You are okay. Your oil, your caustic soda, your soda ash, your sulfonic acid, your SLS, then your perfume. That's all. Silicate too. So that's all. So now I've already measured everything here. The SLS I've already measured and then mixed with water. You see, it takes a lot of time to melt. So if not for the video, I would have mixed it long before I come to do the preparation. So I'll keep stirring until it's well mixed. This is my silicate. This is the perfume. This is the sulfonic acid. This is the glycerin. So I've measured everything. I will put it aside and then get back to you. Okay, so let's see what the ingredient does. Of course, perfume is for good smell. Color is to make it look attractive. Glycerin for moisturizing. Silicate for hardening. SLS for boosting of the foam. Sulfonic acid for boosting of the foam. And then what again? The caustic soda and then the oil, you know. Of course, without it, you can't make soup. So these are the ingredients. So I'll just pack the rest of the ingredients aside and then we start preparation right away. Okay, so this is my soap mold. I'm intentionally using different types. This one is the silicone type, and then this one is the wooden type, which I've, spread black rubber in it. Mind you, I've already sprayed alcohol in them so that it will get rid of any mold and then yeast. Okay, so let's start. I will start by adding my oils into my bowl. If you need a commercial soap cutter tool, let me know so that you don't run at a loss by buying all kinds of silicone molds to make large scale soups. Okay, so I'll just add the coconut oil in there. This is my color, and then this is the coconut oil. I'll just add a little to the color and then stir. It's very important to mix your color with the oil first, otherwise you will see some will not melt and you will see it in the soup, running in the soup. So it's always advisable to mix your color with oil. It's very important. And when you are going to buy the color, please tell them you want an oil color. You want an oil color. Don't go and buy watercolor. The watercolor normally suspends on top of the soup, so it's important to buy the oil color. I'm going to add the color and then mix first. Add the color and then mix first so that it will mix very well with the oil first before you start adding any other thing to your soup. Next, I will add in the perfume or your essential oil. So someone will ask, can I add perfume after I finish making the soup and ready to be poured? Yes, you can add perfume after you have finished making the soup and it's ready to pour. It's just, they all boil down to the same, it will all go into the soup, because if you add it before or if you add it after, then it's okay. I normally do it this way so that I don't forget any of the ingredients. Normally, palm oil soaks trays very fast, so you don't really need a hand mixer or hand blender. Sorry, hand blender. But I will use it to mix the color and then the perfume before I continue. I will be asking some common questions getting to the latter part of the video, so please wait to the end. Then I will add in my silicates. And then mix. Next, I will add in my glycerin. After this, I will just take the stick blender from it, and then I will continue with my spatula or my wooden stick. I just added in the sulfonic acid. And then stir. So I just added in the silicate. I couldn't pour and then capture. So because they did not mix well, I don't want the remaining one to get into the soup. Otherwise, you will see some white substance roaming in the soup. So I've saved it. You can see because of the chemicals I just combined. See, even though there's no caustic soda, it is already thickening up because palm oil and palm kernel soaps trace very, very fast. So this time I'm going to add in my soda ash solution. I will go ahead and add in the caustic soda. This is where the mistake started, or all the mistake came from. After adding in the 1 liter of the lye solution, I should have added the 250 ml of the remaining lye solution to the soup. I forgot because it was somewhere else and the soup was draining fast, so I was in a hurry. I forgot to add it. So the oil became excess on top of the soup. So this is where the mistake came from. And I want to show you, if you also make the same mistake, how you can correct it. It's very important because in making production, you can always make a mistake, or sometimes you can make a mistake that you can't do anything about it. So after this, there will be a part 2 of this video to show you how I corrected this particular problem. So I use my stick blender to, smoothen it a little, but still, because the lye solution, the quantity of lye solution do not match with the quantity of oil. There was excess oil on top of the soup. So the part 2 will be in either the right hand corner or left hand corner of the video. So you can click on it and then watch the part 2 of it. I want you to observe something here. Like I said, today we are correcting our mistakes. So you can see that the soap is not smooth, or it's not gelling like it's supposed to. Somehow you see that the soap is somehow separating. Yes, so if you see it this way, then the outcome of the soap will be that it will not last long. Or even if it lasts long and you use it, getting to the latter part of the soap, after when it's getting finished, you see that it will just break. So this is the outcome of a soap production that looks like this. It's not gelling together, there's separation with the oil, and then there's separation with the lye. Not too much, but it should be jelly like, but I didn't get that. So with this soap, if you want to use it, though you can use it, nothing will happen to you, but it will not last long, one, and secondly, it breaks getting to the latter part of its use, or yes, getting to the latter part of its use. Let me answer some common questions that I always get. So someone asked, today I won't mention it because last time I butchered your name too much. So how do I rebuy soup? Like I said, there will be a video at one of the corner of this particular video. You can click on it to see how you can rebatch your soup. And someone also asked, what's the difference between caustic soda and lye solution? Caustic soda, lye solution, we use caustic soda to make it. So that is, You mix water with your caustic soda to get your lye solution. So once you use water to mix your caustic soda, it's no longer called caustic soda, but it is called lye solution. Someone also asked, can you mix oils to make soap? Yes, you can mix oils to make soap. Apparently, it's the best practice if you mix oils to make soap. And also, what's the measurement for the lye solution? Lye solution measurement with caustic soda depends on you, how your formula works. If you can even mix 1 cup of caustic soda with 2 cups of water, or you can mix 1 cup of caustic soda with 3 liters with 3 cups of water, or you can use 1 cup of caustic soda with 2.5 cups of water. It will all depends on the formula that you are comfortable with. So that one too is being answered. This is the remaining lye solution that I forgot to add to the soup. So as you can see, you see some oils on top of the soup. As you can see, there is some oils on top of the soup. Is because I forgot to add the remaining lye to it. So the rest of the oil did not, the oils on top did not get its equivalent lye solution to mix with. So this is how come it ended up this way. The last question is, please, where can I get commercial soap mold to buy? Please, I sell commercial soap mold that comes with 8 kata, design metal, customized stamp. That is, we use your name, your own name to customize the stamp for you. It also cuts in all shapes and sizes. It polishes and smoothens the soap.